Hey, welcome to NetVertex. In this video, I want to talk about 6 cyber attacks that hackers use every day. I will tell you some real examples, and I will explain them in simple words, so everyone can understand. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about spear phishing and whaling. Normal phishing is when a hacker sends a fake message to millions of people, hoping someone will click. But spear phishing is different. The hacker studies you first. They look at your social media, your job, and even your friends. Then they send you a message that looks completely real. Whaling is the same thing, but it only targets the big bosses, like the CEO of a company. A real example? In 2016, hackers sent an email to the CEO of an Austrian company. The email looked like it came from the main company's boss. It said, "Send 50 million euros to this account for a new project." The CEO believed it and sent the money. The company lost everything. Next, we have application layer DDoS attacks. A normal DDoS attack sends too many requests to a website to make it crash. But an application layer attack is smarter. It doesn't attack the whole website. Instead, it attacks only the hardest part of the website, like the search button or the payment button. So with fewer requests, the hacker can still bring the whole site down. A real example? In 2021, the Clubhouse app was attacked this way. Hackers only targeted the live voice chat part, which needs a lot of computer power. Many users could not join the chats, but the rest of the app was working fine.
Now, let's talk about Ransomware-as-a-Service. Before, only expert hackers could make ransomware. That's a virus that locks your files and asks for money. But now, an expert hacker rents their virus to anyone. Anyone can pay a small fee, get the virus, attack a company, and share the money with the expert. This is why ransomware attacks are happening so much these days. A real example, a hacker group called REvil did exactly this. In 2021, one of their customers attacked a meat company called JBS. They shut down all its factories in the United States. JBS had to pay $11 million to get back to work. Then we have man-in-the-middle attacks. Imagine you are talking to your friend in a room, but someone stands between you silently. They listen to everything, change your words, and then give the changed message to your friend. In the digital world, the hacker stands between you and the website, like your bank. They steal your passwords, card numbers, and messages. This is very dangerous when you use public Wi-Fi. A real example. In 2017, a fake add-on for the Chrome browser said it would make your internet faster. But in reality, it stood between the user and every website. It changed the ads on those websites and stole money from ad companies. Next, we have SQL Injection. Imagine a website asks for your username and password. If the website is not safe, a hacker can type a small computer command in the username box instead of their name. The website's database runs that command and gives the hacker all the secret information at once. All the passwords, credit cards, and emails of every user are stolen. A real example. In 2019, hackers attacked a company called MySQL using this trick. They stole the information of 500,000 customers, including their passwords and phone numbers, and sold them on the dark web. Finally, the supply chain attack. This is the most dangerous one. Instead of attacking a big company directly because it has strong security, the hacker attacks a small supplier or a software company that the big company uses. For example, you install a program from a trusted company, but that program has a hidden virus inside. So you bring the virus into your own company by yourself. That is why it's the most dangerous. A real example. In 2020, hackers attacked a software called SolarWinds. A real example. In 2020, hackers attacked a software called SolarWinds. Many big companies and even US government offices used this software. The hackers put a hidden code in a normal update. When companies installed the update, the hackers could enter their internal networks. They attacked the Pentagon and the US Treasury Department. This attack lasted 9 months and infected 18,000 companies. So to quickly wrap it up, spear phishing is a fake message made just for you. Application layer DDoS attacks only the hardest part of a website. Ransomware-as-a-Service rents a virus to anyone. Man-in-the-middle is someone listening between you and the website. SQL injection is typing a command in a form to steal the whole database. And supply chain attacks hide a virus inside a trusted software you install. That's it for today. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe to NetVertext. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey,